Introducing the Glad Handlock 1450 from Transport Security. Also known as the Trailer Air Brake Lock. This device is designed to secure your trailer by protecting the air brake lines from tampering. Here's the problem. Without protection, trailers can be connected at the glad hand fittings, creating risks from both theft and the occasional mix-up in busy yards. It installs quickly and easily. Place the lock over the glad hand connection and secure it with the push-button locking cylinder. The lock completely covers the glad hand mounting bolts, making it impossible to hook up and move the trailer without authorization. The 1450 is built from a high-strength aluminum alloy casting, delivering rugged durability in real-world conditions. Every glad hand lock can be keyed alike or keyed differently, providing unique security for each unit. In addition to theft prevention, this lock can also be used for maintenance lockout tagout procedures, providing an extra layer of control inside distribution centers and yards. For over 40 years, Transport Security products have been trusted by fleets and shippers nationwide to keep trailers secure. The Glad Hand Lock 1450 continues that tradition. Easy to use, reliable, and proven to stop unauthorized trailer movement.